damaged, but I've fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
I'm not upgrading. I'm gonna wait to the very end. I'm gonna wait till it's too late to upgrade. What in the world? I remember seeing this. Oh, it's a light. Neat. Alright, so I'm just picking up from where I left off. Okay. I'm guessing this is like a secret area. Oh, you see that? Is it gonna blow up? There we go. There we go. So you gotta go up there and touch him. Oh, 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 oh! I got internet today. Thank God. Oh yeah, I'm about to start playing PC games so soon after I get done playing all these. I need to get a PS5 is what I need to do, but I'm gonna try the PC shit for a minute. Ugh! Slime!
According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries.
Amoeboids. 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 Dang, there's some big mushrooms. And they move too. That's a cool little feature. And not just stiff. I can scar them. What's with these pawns? Hiya! I'm gonna come back down here and get that. What's the point of having these underwater like this? Oh! Oh my gosh! Was I gonna die if it went to 0? I could have promised you it was at 0. Hold on, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I went through that too already. Alright. What I say?
More bad guys. Get ready.
Get away from me! That's a big one.
They keep coming.
Okay, so he can't blow up the box. Get back! Get back! I've got a gun! Oh my gosh! Bruh. Maybe I should have upgraded my weapon. Get back. Oh no! Yeah. This isn't gonna happen the way you think it is. So get back. And stop fighting it. Whoa! Oh, I forgot I was in mid. I forgot I was like in the middle of a fight. It smells like soap now. Get back. Damn, y'all just keep coming, don't you? Look at these. Why doesn't he have a second life? It's crazy. Yeah, back up. You didn't see that coming, did you? Watch this. That sends him, dude, that sends him flying. The front do that? Oh yeah! Get back. Yeah, you little fuck. Little fucking bitch. Well done. Fuck you. Hi! Hi! Dude, he should have went straight down to the bottom. That hit was strong enough to make him go straight down to the bottom. I think it was. Whoa!
surface to breathe.
As long as it's not in my face like it was. Shit was right in my face. Like, I was like this, basically. Like, what the heck? This area should be fine. Yeah, so I can still hear. Good. Cause most likely gonna get cut out anyway. So is the fight over? Oh, nope, they just circled around. They kind of slowed down for a second there. It wasn't as crazy, you know? It's not as crazy as it was. Wait, what? Where did I just come out of? This tube? Oh, I crash landed here on this. The rocket tower got here. Crash landed. Came through that one. Now we gotta go through this one.
Look out!
Alright. Find someone to help you repair your ship. Who is he screaming look out to? There's no one here but him, and he's on his back. Hiya! Bees! Robot bees. These are like Goddards. Oh no, Goddards! Here, boy. Here, Goddard.
Jumps and jumps and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Wow, hilarious. Alright. I don't know if I went in here last time. This doesn't look familiar. But yeah. That's my beating stick right here.
We're professionals. It's our job to take you out.
We're not very good at it. I mean, what are we going to, a movie? Who goes to movies anymore? Netflix and chill, baby. Netflix and chill. Man, hold up. Damn. He's going down. You tagged me one time. Calm down, sir. Whoa. Hey. Dang. Okay with the kicks. I didn't even know they could do that. Who is this guy? What? Whoa. I know he's probably like, what's wrong with my body right now? Okay. I'm just gonna assume that he can't hurt me. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna just let you be you, bro. He's like, kill me. Kill me. Whoa! What are you doing, man? What's down here? Oh, nothing. Oh, a bolt is down here. One bolt. Nice. Nice. Hey, there's money down here. Yep. Every bolt counts. Oh gosh. I forgot how to go up. I was like, oh man, I'm about to drown. This dude is weird. But ain't nothing wrong with being weird, man. We all got a little weird in us. You know? You have a good day, bro. I can get that checked out. I know his boss made him come to work today because he was like, bro, I am not. Today's not the day for me, bro. Can I just stay home? And his boss was like, nah. Okay. Back. Hey, listen. Get out of the way, Goddard. Goddard, self-destruct. Like, what? Back up. Whoa! Whoa! Bro, you got an infestation of robot bee bug things.
I'm glad you're here. I've been. Hey, have we met before?
Just fall out of nowhere.
I don't think so.
Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress.
What did his eyes just do?
Ever since Drax forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
That is a weird robot. I mean, they can't just make a phone call?
Chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering,
Oh,
why
I
are
get it.
300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our
Nice.
project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
Who is that for?
A little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
There he goes. Down his industrial,
Did that guy just slide on a super
you know,
pipe?
his industrial.
Well, it does
I was gonna say his
look like
industrial
this way.
water slide,
Let's give it a
but
shot.
apparently this is a sewer pipe. I mean, what? Why is this a sewer pipe? Why is this just here, dude? Open. there's no grates on it or nothing. Like, that's terrible. It's a terrible, terrible idea, and don't you ever, ever, ever think about it again. Ever. Alright. That was satisfying. All the boxes blew up. And here we go. I want to go on a ceiling like he did. Dude, that robot is drowning on this dude's back right now. He's like, I can't breathe. And he's a robot, fully submerged in water.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
No, never again.
Oh, looks like Mayor Buckwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit, but right now he needs your help.
I didn't even look down there this whole time.
Oh, looks like Mayor Buckwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit.
Whoa, it's a lot of them.
Help.
It's a ton of them down there. Oh, they're one-shot kills, though. I'm going to just snipe them. Pop. Nope. Snipe. What? Oh, that's lame. I can get these guys. Yeah. Yep, get down. I wonder if I could take around one of these ships. Oh, they're definitely not close enough. Tag him. All right, that's it.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
That's what I said.
Shame on him. And
Attention, citizens. You may
And that's Invader Zim.
in the midst of a
Oh.
small, insignificant invasion. We are working hard.
Oh! What is that? What do you say? Something about remaining in homes. What is this? What is this beast down here? Oh my gosh. Can I take that out, or is it gonna like... Come on! What the heck?
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe.
Oh no! Dude, I knew that was gonna happen. I saw that coming. Alright. Oh, there's nothing down here. Except bombs. Whoa! I touched it. I touched the butt.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
But I swim like a fish. I swim like a fish. Oh, that is my wish. No other way to do it. Nice. I wonder if I'm sitting there in front of the health bar bubble thing, would it still take me out? I've never done this before. I didn't know all this was down here. Oh, Ratanium. Oh, yeah. Awesome. That's right. Looking out. At least these aren't the fish that kill you immediately.
Attention, Blarg. We still have not heard back from you regarding this unfortunate shipment.
Okay. Now let's take out these bubble robot bees. Whoa, don't come all at me at once! All at once? Wow. Take a guy off guard, why don't you?
Everything works on our side, so when you get a moment,
And this dude, I'll let you live. I'll let you live, you bastard. Oh, it must be his cousin. Oh, that's why he wasn't attacking me. He's like a mortar strike guy. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. You! That was definitely him. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Whoa! Dude, cut that shit out. You know what? Fine. There. How was that? Damn. Damn. See me just throw his leg around? Reduce that dude to nothing but metal scraps. How do I get over there? Progression, probably. Alrighty. That's right. Back it up.
me again. Mayor Buckwash. The phone rang and I
Yeah. Yeah.
just thought it might
I hit him. There's no way I didn't. Oh my gosh. They should be able to take each other out. They should be able to take each other out with that. How am I missing you? Son of a... They just keep on... Dude, there's so many of them. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Alright, let me stop running through here like I don't know what I'm doing. Get out of here. Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. How did he do that? How did he shoot as he was dying? Like, come on, bruh. Where is the logic? Y'all not about to brute force me this whole time, dude. I'm not gonna stand for it. Or sit for it. It's not happening.
Hey, that's a Cora Barilux statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Race.
Whoa! What the heck hit me? That sounded like a gunshot. It sounded like I got smacked. When did I lose all the Veritanium and all that stuff? Probably not, right? They wouldn't do you like that. Come on! Alright. Y'all tripping. Whoa, I didn't know that thing could go that far. Yeah. Get back. Yeah. Oh! Why y'all... Dude, there's too many of these dudes.
Doubt that's the last of them.
Dang. That's crazy. I didn't know it was going to be like that. They was like, yo, we coming out in a squad, bruh. That was a pretty good squad, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Can that kill you? Back. He's... I was about to say, ain't no way he's still alive. Yeah, I just popped him in the head. Popped him on top of the head. Just pop that noggin. Get back. crazy acting.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the ship.
What do you do to piss these dudes off?
For the Galactic Rangers, please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the cold-blood freighter of Nogales.
Mayor Buckwash will
I wonder if they would have blown that up by now. I like how the guns are kind of delayed. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Whoa. What the heck? Dude, that was crazy. They just had me in this. They just had me against the wall. In the corner? I don't know, bro. It all sounds weird. That was wild, bro. That was just... all you can see was black smoke everywhere. Oh, the mushrooms give you bolts. Nice. Alrighty. Run past that. They're gonna take care of itself. Look at the rest of these. Oh, don't worry, Mayor Buckwash. I'm sure you'll be alright. So what if I would have never got here? Like, would they have just got in and murdered the dude? How long would that have taken? Where are... oops. The cops? Where are the cops at? Where's the military at? Where's anybody? They don't have anything for this kind of situation? Oh, come on. I'm about to say... no! It's too many of them! Dang it! Stop that! There we go. I can do better when it's just these dudes. These dudes suck. They don't deserve a promotion or anything. You deserve to be just let go. Not even fired. No, yeah, fired. Fuck them. Get out of here. If that would have hit me, I would have been very... did he just drop... dude. Good shit, dude. That was a good one. He dodged my wrench. Oh, it's not safe. I need the rest of my bolts.
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure. We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Dredd trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro
Skid
reporter?
McMarks.
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Damn, does everybody have one of these things?
Skid McMarks here, you know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone, call my agent, call my publicist. Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me. I don't want to die.
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair...
Why would they give him that to sign their autograph
Thanks for saving the sector.
and then get mad at him for having it?
See about fixing that ship.
Dang, they ruined your ship, man.
Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a...
This is a good ship, though. You need to save it.
friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 2.
Yeah, bro. I'd save that ship. As much as they were just, like, popping it, bro. Like, nothing happened. Yeah, keep it. Hey, look. Look, I got a wrench, too, buddy.
Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their
What
ship.
you need help fixing? The carbon dianomizer? He's just twisting the arm. What the...
Mighty biceps ripple. But first,
He was just...
they'd
look.
tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
What are they Titan? There's no coupling or nothing there. It's just a pipe.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
They're trying to make sure you were still listening.
Promise me you'll get that infobot
I
for
wasn't.
Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Wow. Why don't you just come with me? Come on, man. You said you had a delivery to make. Don't be lazy. And here we go. Whoa, wait a minute.
Not only could
Wait a second, dude. What? How the fuck is this dude still alive, dude? Dude. And what is he attacking? Oh, now it's just, you just gonna attack me? Did I really leave him alive up there? Huh. Yeah, bro. Alright. I was about to say, how the... Wait, how did he even stay up there this whole time? Did I really forget about him? Wow. It's kind of messed up. He just wanted to be acknowledged, you know? He just wanted to let everybody know that he exists.
Hey, you looking for some weapons? Step into my office. Actually, I ain't got no
Oh, wait. I love this
one if
thing.
I make salesman of the month.
This is my favorite gun. This is my favorite weapon. I'm still saving up, though. I should get that. But I'm still saving. But I should get that. But I'm still saving up. But I should get that. But I'm still saving up, though. I just did a double jump there.
Where to next?
The nav computer indicates that there is an important gadget we must retrieve in Iridia.
Search cave for the hidden treasures. I haven't done that yet. What cave? This cave? This ain't a cave. Dude, I don't care about what the hidden treasure is. I'm out of here.
Where should we go?
The nav computer indicates that there is an important gadget we must retrieve in Iridia.
So Iridia. Nice. Iridia.
You're swimming in bolts. Time to spend some.
Wait, is that Skid McMarks up ahead?
Oh, someone help! Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night.
I can't believe it. Skid McMarks. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup.
It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if he got that. My agent and I have been running from those blarg all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skid McMarks Sports Shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Whoa, a real McMarks 4000? Consider it done.
Watch
Yeah.
out for those sand sharks, bro.
They're not so tough. Are ya? Get back. Those guys aren't anything. What the? Oh, I died.
Take a look.